Hello everyone, welcome to the Free Range Diva. I've got a good video for you today because today I am going to be talking about, I'm going to actually review a product that has been hair changing. You've heard of life changing? This has been hair changing for me. I have added this to my hair care routine. This is the Scalp and Hair Scrub from Zion Health. And the quality of my hair has changed beyond what I would have thought possible. Superlative enough? All right, let's get started. So yeah, I received this as PR, first of all. And a lot of PR that I receive, I don't review, or I may not have glowing reviews about it. But this, it surpassed my expectations. This is a detoxifying, energizing, super duper cleaning product that you use like a shampoo, although it has granules in it because it is a scrub, which are not, which initially seemed like it was going to be a problem for me because I was afraid that it was just going to, get in there and tangle up my hair at the scalp. But no, the granules in here dissolve pretty quickly, so you just have a little bit of a exfoliation, and mostly it's just really, really cleansing. The ingredients in here are salt, first ingredient, two different kinds of salt actually, and then you have some surfactants in here, followed by preservative, and then fragrance. All their fragrances, by the way, from Zion Health are all natural. Then you have argan oil, vitamin E, aloe, sweet almond oil, and clay. So the ingredients are pretty what you'd expect to find, I think, for a shampoo, except for the salt and the clay. And I think these are the two ingredients that really have made the biggest difference, or that are doing something that, because I've never tried like a salt product or a clay product on my hair before, other than the shampoo bar that I had been using from Shea Terra. So the fragrance, they have 3 fragrances. Let me tell you what they are. This one is the Pear Blossom. They also have, I really cannot read without my glasses, Green Apple and Vanilla Coconut. The fragrance of this is like a fresh, beautiful pear. I mean, it's intoxicating. I love it. And that was the first reason I showed this to you in my favorites, and that's why I immediately wanted to start using it, because it smells so good. It looks like, let me just, there. So it's quite thick, as you can see, right? But it's a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot to get a really nice lather, because it does give you a very nice lather. And it really cleans the hair. Now, the way that I use this, I shampoo my hair with my regular shampoo from Evolve H first, to make sure that it removes, any of the like castor oils or any oils that I might have put in my hair as overnight treatment. And then I go in with this for my second shampoo. This leaves my hair feeling like butter. So soft. I think I've mentioned before that I have low porosity hair that's 3C, I believe, and it's really, really, really gets tangled when I wash it. Not when I use this. I put this in, wash my hair again, rinse it out, and when it comes out, I then add my regular conditioner, and my hair just falls. I mean, I can easily just stroke through my hair with my fingers, with a comb. It just, I don't have a lot of hair fall, is what I'm saying, when I use this product, not in the shower at least. And finally, at the end, when I'm ready to style, my hair just feels like silk. It's so soft, and it lasts. It stays like this 7 days, although now I wash my hair more frequently because I just enjoy using this. So I wash my hair around day 5 or 6. But not because it needs it, because it still looks just like it does on day 2, which is today. No, today is day 3. This is day 3 hair. So, you know, my hair has a lot of movement. It has a lot of bounce. It's thicker. It's, you know, it feels thicker because I'm not losing as much every time I wash it. And I rate this product as 10 out of 10. I don't think I'll ever be without it. I mean, it has replaced, like I was using a shampoo bar, and I will go back to doing that. But I really, you know, I've been so addicted to this, I haven't wanted to use anything else really. And I have not tried using it for, you know, twice, but let's say that you don't put oils and things on your hair. You just want to wash your hair like a normal human being without the pre-treatment, then this would be all that you would need. If your hair is dry, this will really help. If your hair is normal, I don't think this is going to hurt you. It's probably just because it does rinse out. It doesn't leave like a film or anything behind. But again, if your hair needs moisture and you know, is prone to frizz, as mine is, I think we had 60% humidity today, and my hair doesn't frizz. It just stays manageable. This sells on the Zion Health website for $19.99. I have a coupon code below, you know, linked to the website. And then some of Zion Health's products are also found on Amazon and like Vitacost, especially like their deodorants, which, by the way, if you or your guy want a natural deodorant, these deodorants that they make are the bomb. They are the best natural deodorant I've ever tried. That's another video. I will link that one, in fact. Yes, Zion Health, they use clay. That's their basis for their products. And I have loved everything I've tried from this company. I actually have something else that they sent me to try, and I haven't tried it yet, a toothpaste. But when I do, I will let you know all about it. So that's my review, the Scalp and Hair Scrub from Zion Health. Hair changing. Okay, everybody, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did that. Just hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And until I see you again in that next video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, a wonderful week, a wonderful hair day, because, you know, we all deserve to have beautiful hair days. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon.